Yo, it's your boy Will. I'm back in the video, and today we'll fold time. It's your boy for 7 minutes. And we start. See it right there. You forever see me in this. I don't care what you have to say about me. I made 100 grand. 100 grand views with this right here. You can't tell me that hard. Can't. It's not about the clothes. Y'all have to understand that, bro. Designer clothes, all that, it don't matter, bro. Fancy cars, don't matter. Fancy shoes, fancy pants, fancy shirts, they don't matter. It's about you as a person. Your clothes don't matter at all. It don't. Design clothes cool and all, but it's not about that. It's about you as a person. You can wear designer clothes and still be a lazy person who procrastinates all the time. You can wear designer clothes. I'm wearing this, and I just made 100 grand views with this, and you ain't do nothing with those clothes on, but flashing them the whole time. From this day forward, bro, nobody can never tell me nothing, bro, for real. They can't tell me anything. My YouTube worth more than your clothes. My YouTube worth more than your cars, bro. And then it's like that. I ain't trying to be cocky or anything. It's just true. I'm a humble man, very humble dude. I ain't trying to boost my ego or anything, but it's just true. And it's just gonna keep going up. My YouTube gonna keep going up. That's it. Y'all not stopping. And nobody ain't gonna make me stop. I don't care how bad people get. I do not care. Take it over some money, man. No competition with nobody. It's all love, for real. And let that be known. And anyone who watch my page and just trying to make fun of me, of me making my videos, you are blessing my page at the end of the day. You blessing my views. Every time you start my page, bro, on YouTube, you are blessing my page. You're a big fool. You blessing my views, and I thank you. I thank you for it. Thank you. How much a fool you are, and how slow you are at that. People. Man, human beings. And anyone who just started my page just to make fun of me, you are my biggest fanboys or fan females. Okay? my biggest fans. And I thank you. I thank you. I really thank you. Cause you helping my views out. You helping my views out, man. I thank you. Everything. I thank you. I thank you all. I thank you all. For real. Cause without you stalking my page, I'm gonna be at 100 grand. You have to be smart, man. You cannot be slow like this. But the real people who mess with me for real, I appreciate you. I really do. I appreciate you for real. I appreciate my haters mostly. Cause you just fume. You just give me you just fume me up every single time. You get mad about me having a YouTube channel. Or just be mad at me in general. I don't know why. It don't be no valid reason at that. Don't be having no valid reason. Nobody don't. I'm chill. I'm a very chill person. How can you hate? How can you hate on me? I don't know. I'm laid back. I'm quiet. I work hard. I don't know. But that's what manipulators do. They tell you lies to make you feel better. That's what they do. That's their job. You can't manipulate me though. You can't. I've been through all of that already. You can't. I'm used to that. I'm just look at you unless you talk. And unless you tell me lies to trying to make me feel bad about myself. That ain't true. No. But it's okay. God loves us all. I love you too, but God loves you the most. But yeah, it's time to go. That's it, man.